Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rosinski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Sorry about this week. I just wanted to apologize ahead of time. I fell behind on your grades. I ended up getting sick and going to the doctor and the hospital as well, and I wasn't there for 2 or 3 days. And I haven't been able to catch up. So I'm feeling really awful because I was late last week because of my son, and this week because of me. So it's just been a nightmare back and forth. So I really appreciate everyone really being patient with everything. I'm sorry about that. I want to get caught up this week, so I'm feeling a little healthy to get back up and rolling again. So I'll have everything caught up hopefully by Tuesday is my goal, and then have everything for your new grades done by Thursday is next after that, which is usually what I do. So I'm sorry for the irregular start for this quarter or this term. It's just been really rough for me. Anyway, patience really good. So don't worry about any late points or anything for the past 2 weeks or so. I'll work with you with that since I've been having trouble as well, and then go from there. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. We'll go from there. But yeah, I'm so sorry about everything. Give me a little time. I'll work with everything and I'll have everything caught up. Hopefully by tomorrow is really my goal. Other than that, let's get into it. Talk about logos. So yeah, we're supposed to talk about logos for the second half. I didn't really get a good shot at it since logos are kind of like the thing for discussions. So I'm sorry I didn't have this announcement on time because of everything going on. But logos are technically a visual representation of the product, company, and experience. They must be simple and easy to understand and need to translate in size. They directly correlate to the experience. Font style and format must always be consistent, especially including cultural elements. You have to consider these things because you need to communicate that these are right. Because if your logo infringes on some type of culture's understandings or beliefs, then you're just going to outlaw that for your business or for your organization or anything that you need from that. So that's a little difficult. But there's 7 different types of logos. There's abstract marks, where it's just an unknown metaphorical image that relates to the product in some way. Abstract marks, or they could be anything. So like Pepsi's logo, it's just its own mark that references Pepsi, and that's what makes it its own. Then you have mascot logos. Mascot logos are crucial. They have the company's mascot on top of it. So yeah, that's the big thing, KFC. You also have emblem logos. Emblem logos are really huge because of the fact that they are very, very good at just traditional style of thought processes. But not only that, emblems are really great in understanding a lot of different elements with just tradition and organizations and really government facilities. That's why with Harvard, you have Harvard's emblem is very traditionalistic, has the shield, has the books that say the Latin word veritas on it, which stands for truth. It all stands for Harvard's goals. That's what's really great about their logo and everything going with that. So that's a great thing about that. Another thing to consider is letter marks. Letter marks are just like an acronym that spell out everything, like SHIELD from Avengers, Strategic Homeland Intervention, Engineering Logistics Division. That's a thing. You also have NASA, same thing, National Administration Space Association, National Aviation Space Administration. That's what it is. So that's the letter mark is just an acronym of everything. A pictorial mark is just an image of what it is. For example, like for Apple computers, they show an apple with a bite out of it. Obviously, it relates to Apple, the black icon. It kind of relates with everything else. So yeah, it all plays a part with that. Other than that, that's pretty much it. You also have word marks. Word marks are just the word itself. You don't need to abbreviate it or do anything with it. The great thing about word marks is it can be simple, but if you have like a really long name, word marks are not going to work. Go letter mark, acronym it out. And then combination marks are a combination of 2 or more types of logos. So Burger King right here uses a word mark tied in with an abstract mark that symbolizes a burger and the meat and everything. So they use 2 techniques to make their own logo. So that's a combination mark. Other than that, that's pretty much it for marks. They're pretty simple and easy to understand. Other than that, that's pretty much it for logos. So the different types of that. But yeah, thank you for your patience. I'm sorry about everything. I'll have everything caught up as soon as possible. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So thanks for being amazing. Be safe, have fun. I'm so sorry about everything again, and I'll get everything caught up, I promise. Sorry about everything. Yeah. Contact me if you have any problems, if you need work on anything. That would be great. I don't want you to get behind at all if you're really behind. So please give me your assignments as soon as possible. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So, all right, my friends, be safe, have fun, enjoy. Thanks for being patient as always, and I will see everybody later next week. So have a good one. Bye-bye.